I'm literally starting all my vlogs in the lift. So yeah, I've given the phone to Chow because I have a finger injury. I don't want to strain my finger. Can you see me? Okay, let's go. Chow will come down. Chow, are you gonna miss me today? So basically I'm going for a shoot with Subiksha and Sushmita today to Mayflower, and I think it's around 9:50, 10 in the morning. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me, show you what we're gonna be doing today and all the yummy food that we're gonna be eating. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. So I am on my way to Mayflower, and I'm sure Subi wouldn't have reached, Sushmita too, because I stay pretty close by, so I just feel that it's still on their way. Also, water in a Bisleri bottle. Yeah, I'm obsessed with coconut water, guys. Like right now, right at the moment. Initially, I never used to like it, but now I'm like, I need it every day. So yeah, I'm just gonna drink this and chill by the traffic. Also, just a quick chit chat. Also, I thought I'll just tell you all why we're going to Mayflower. So basically every week all three of us have decided to meet so that we can shoot for each other and help each other with collaboration shoots. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye. This green signal. So I'm doing this Onam look today, for which I needed some Mallipu. So I had to like get on and buy that. Woo! Okay, we've almost reached Mayflower. Subi and Sushmita have already reached. What a loser am I, guys? Okay, time to go. Bye. Hi, girlies.
Oh, we're supposed to say hi.
Hey, what the hell? I feel so hot.
First time we're next time we'll feel fun. So, but it's yeah. So basically, so I yeah.
இல்ல எதுக்குன்ற ஹாய் ஹாய் சுபி நீலாம் ஏண்டி மல்டி டேலண்டட்ல படத்துல போட்டுருக்கணும். So Subiksha and Sushmita have gone to shoot, and I'm gonna change and get ready because by the time they come I have to be ready because I have like 5 brand collaborations that I'll have to shoot today, and Sushmita has a lot and Subiksha has a lot, and it's an entire day is not enough, so we have to like quickly do it. Okay, don't bother this again because I don't want to get hurt again on the same finger, so I've just put this mask as a protection. Guys, so I quickly changed. So I'm wearing this beautiful white dress from Studio Virupa. This is like a proper Onam look. So I'm just gonna get ready. When I say ready, it's just wear a pair of earrings and probably put some kajal. Yeah. So I have these beautiful jhumkas which are like super huge, but they're my favorite because they look so pretty. So yeah, these are super heavy, so I can't wear them for more than 5 minutes. 5 is like the max. Put on my eyeliner. I didn't bring anything else because I knew Sushmita will have it. Don't tell you this, but I'm always dependent on her. Hey Sush, can you bring some makeup? Because I don't know makeup, I don't have makeup. Can you see the wing? Is it seen? Okay. I don't have a kajal right now, so I'll just wait for these balls to come so that I can borrow from them. I'm planning to do like a bun and keep some flowers. So okay, let's hope that it looks good. Is it cross? Oh, I think it looks cross. Story of my life. Kept it cross, so I'll have to do this again. Like, why? Yay! I did it! Let's put on some bright red lipstick. Basically, I'm not supposed to bend this finger because it's a very deep cut, so Okay, so I have this bracelet kind of a thing. I don't know if I can actually use this as a choker. Like it looks super pretty. No, the, no, never use a bracelet as a choker because it's not meant for that. Okay, so I have these Mallipu, so soothing and okay. So I'm all ready, waiting for Sushant to come back so that I can get done with my shoot. So yeah, guys, but how gorgeous is this dress? Love the border. It's like so beautiful. Hey, so pretty. புரியுதா? ரப்ப பண்ணுங்க. How do you like the fish braid?
Too good because Priya is my hairstylist.
Okay, so done with look number 1. I have 2 more looks to go for this brand, and then I have 3 more brands to shoot. Tired already, haven't had my breakfast. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
What the hell?
Sorry.
Okay, போதும்.
Okay.
Don't கையால don't do anything. This
Hey guys, so shooting look number 2, and I'm wearing a sari. So I've draped it a bit differently, like with pants. So let's see how this turns out. But sweating, guys. The fan is on, but still I'm sweating. Okay, so finally done with 2 looks. I have 1 more look to go, which is a beautiful skirt from Studio Virupa. So after that, we're gonna chill, take a break, have some yummy food because Mayflower has the best starters ever. Like, I love it. So yeah. So I'm always like, you know what? So for the next shoot, let me do like a new hair do or something. But then I always end up leaving my hair free because that's how comfortable I am. But anyway, I think today I'll ask one of these girls to do something for me because I'm so tired of just leaving my hair free for all the looks. However, I'm just searching for a bindi color for my dress. Okay, I think it's dark blue. Oh, pretty. I shouldn't be saying that. Anyway, okay, I told you guys I'm gonna do something different with my hair. I think I did something different, but I don't know how it will look in cam, so let's see. I really hope this looks fine because I honestly am fed up of doing my hair, just leaving it free for all the looks, like literally, guys. So only after I cut my hair I started experimenting like with buns, you know, high pony and all of that, because initially it was so difficult with my long hair to even do a messy bun or even braid my hair. It was so irritating, like like that. So yeah, I hope this looks good on cam. Look at the mess, guys. Look at the mess. Like literally just clothes, like shoot clothes for all 3 of us, like super messy. Okay, so you look haughty. You look too smart.
What is this, Priya?
BTS. Okay, wait. Yes.
Oh, grill.
I want everything. So I want everything.
Me too. But we can't have everything.
That's true.
Only spinach and corn.
Okay, I look like a mess. I look like I'm coming from a Yeah, I'm literally Sushmita's assistant today. Like reversal of jobs. Where's Subham?
Subi's gone to order food.
Okay. So Sushi's setting her tripod and everything, and I'm waiting. I'm just going to assist her, give her the clothes and everything. Do you want to see a BTS of how Sushmita does the transitions? Or that's a secret? I'm not going to show.
Secret for now. I will show it sometime.
Secret for now. She'll show it later. Probably tomorrow. Sushmita spotted petting a cat.
Dude, she's so
Cutie.
sorry. What is that?
Sush, it's coming behind you only. Sushi, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the speaker?
Come fast.
Earrings?
To give jewelry also. No?
Sushi, I'm a human stand.
Thanks, darling. Is my dress looking fine?
Yeah. Perfect. Why you have two sets of earrings? Oh,
That's bangle D. I know I wear that big earrings also, so I don't blame you. Enough D. Both hands.
okay. Subham, miss you.
Subham.
I tried shooting, but I was not able to, so resting. Favorite in the Hello. So basically, I forgot that I was vlogging.
Like always.
Yeah, no. I never forget, but Sushi, I remember initially she used to shoot like vlog every day. She'd be like, Priya, you know what? This is my first vlog. Say hi. She did that like 10 times. I'm like, are you even publishing these vlogs?
Yeah, so
Cute.
first, like 13 times I vlogged and never posted.
Yeah, I know. Something's on my head. What? Gorgeous girl alert. Gorgeous girl alert.
So you want sitting or standing on
Gorgeous girl alert. Gorgeous girl alert. Wow. So they both are suited. And I'm just gonna chill. As always. I'm wearing this very comfortable night. I'm wearing this super comfortable loungewear set from Colabo. Like it's too good. It looks fancy, like something that I would wear outside and go. But yeah, it looks super cute. Hey.
Long day. Very
Did you
nice.
girls miss me after you go home?
Of course I will miss you.
Two types of people. Literally two extremes. French fries and Subi's favorite masala tea. What are you having? It's sweating because there's no AC. You're not supposed to put AC in restaurants, so yeah.
So end of the day, it's 6:20. We are done with the
அவ்வளோ
shoot.
நேரம் ஆயிடுத்தாடி 1 hour நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம்
சும்மா கதை பேசிட்டு.
அது பேசிட்டு இருந்தோம்
Bye guys. See you
Bye.
soon. See you next week.
I'm gonna cry. Every vlog ends by saying bye to Subiksha. Bye. Going back home. I'm really gonna miss this place. Let's say bye to Mayflower. Hey babe. Did you miss me?
Yeah, lock the car.
What? Lock the car down. I'm multitasking. Like, I basically wore this loungewear for a shoot and I just came back in that. Babe, how much did you miss me? What the hell? Like, should I ask, did you miss me or not? Aww. Hey guys, so I just got back home and like super tired. It's I think 7 o'clock, so we basically finished the shoot by 5:30, but we were talking till 6:30 something. It felt so good, like honestly, to just sit there with both of them, with my friends, and just chill and not care about anything. It was so good. Like, I really hope we meet at least once in a week, because I think this is something that keeps me going. I always look forward to meeting my friends, close ones. Of course, I unnecessarily don't want to go out in the public, so we usually make sure we meet at either Sushmita's house or Subiksha's house, wherever. So yeah, I mean, today was good. It was super productive. I love productive days. And yeah, can't even talk, like super exhausted. I'm wearing this really beautiful kaftan by Ira. It's an Instagram page. It's by one of my friends. She's Preeti Udiraja. She's an amazing dentist. So she also started this new loungewear brand, and also a boutique where you can get loungewear, belts, and a lot of other things. So I'll just probably link that in the bio. Like, this is one of the best nightwear ever. Like, super comfortable kaftan. So yeah, check that out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.